Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a correction in previously solved question. That is the first question, page number 115. In that question, it was question of expenditure method. We have written the formula. Then when we put up the value, private final consumption expenditure, that was 600. Then government final consumption expenditure, that was written 650, but it's not 650, it is 100. So make the correction, write 100 at place of 650, then you will get the correct answer, that is 670. So note that correction and then do the next questions. Now we'll come back to our regular sequence, that is the question number 24 on page number 122. Here, calculate net national product at market price. So what is to calculate here? It is net national product at market price. Okay. Now look at the question first. Gross domestic fixed capital formation, private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure. It means it is a question of expenditure method. So first what we do, we write the name of method here, that is expenditure method. Now the formula. What do we get by this method? That is GDP MP. So GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic fixed investment plus inventory investment plus net export. Okay, so private final consumption expenditure and government final consumption expenditure, we should now look for these. So private final consumption expenditure, that is 8,000, government final consumption expenditure, that is 3,000. So 8,000 plus 3,000 plus gross domestic fixed capital formation. Gross domestic fixed capital formation, that is 400. Then inventory investment. Now when we talk about the inventory investment, the change in stock is given, that is 50. And then the net export. Net export, that is export minus import. Net exports is given, that is minus 60. so minus 60. $11,450 minus 60. So this makes it 11,390, that is GDP MP. Now to convert GDP MP into NNP MP is equal to MP. Now to convert gross into net minus depreciation, to convert domestic into national plus NFIA, and product market to market, there is no conversion, so GDP MP minus depreciation. Depreciation is given here as consumption of fixed capital, that is 40. So we'll take it 40 plus NFIA. NFIA is net factor income from abroad. Okay. Now we have been given here net factor income to abroad, that is minus 80. Net factor income to abroad, that is minus 80. Now if we see it, net factor income from abroad that we need, and net factor income to abroad is given. To and from are completely opposite to each other. So what we do, we change the sign and the minus 80 will become plus 80. So that is 11,430 NNP MP. This is question number 24 on page number 122 for you. Now we'll go for the next question, that is, in between there are some theoretical questions given. You may visit the questions and the answers also given here, so you can see the answer and later on we can discuss all these. Now we will look for question number 28, calculate national income. Question number 28 on page number 122. Calculate national income. Now what we need to calculate, as we have asked to calculate national income, that is NNP FC. This is what we need to calculate. Okay, what we have given here, compensation of employees, rent, profit, dividend, interest, mixed income. What it says, that it is a question of income method, so we will write here income method. The formula of income method is NNP FC is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Compensation to employees, that is given here, compensation of employees, that is 2000. There is no such point is given, that can be counted as compensated employees. So 2000. Now operating surplus. Operating surplus as a separate head is not given here in the question. Rent, profit and interest, mixed income, self-employed, net factor income, and then here net export, net export, depreciation, current transfer to abroad. So we need to calculate operating surplus. That is rent plus interest plus profit. When we see here, rent 400, profit 900. Now when profit is given, we don't look for the dividend and other points. So 400, 900 and interest 500. So 400 plus 900 plus 500, that is 1400. So 13, 5, 1800. So 1800, this will be taken here, plus. Now we'll look for the mixed income. So mixed income is given here, mixed income self-employed, that is 7000. So we'll take 7000. So this is $10,800. This is NDPFC that we get from income method. This is very important to remember. We get NDPFC, not NNPFC, by income method, net domestic product, and by both the other methods we get GDP MP, that is by value added and expenditure method. And when we do it with income method, that is NDPFC, not NNPFC. That is very much, that should be very clear to you, and you should also be very much careful when you are solving this question, otherwise you will commit mistake. So now to convert NDPFC into NNPFC, what we do? NNPFC is equal to NDPFC minus plus NFIA. So that is 10,800 plus NFIA. NFIA, net factor income to abroad, that is 50. Net factor income to abroad is 50. So from abroad it will be minus 50. So 10,750. That is NNPFC. Now we'll go for the question number 29 on page number 123. It is calculate net national product at a market price. What you need to calculate? NNPMP. Okay, so this is question is given here, that is mixed income self-employed, depreciation, then profit, rent, interest, compensation of employees, NIT, all these are the part of income method. So income method. Now with income method, what aggregate we get, that is NDP FC. So NDP FC is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Okay, compensation to employees, $3,000. Okay, so 3,000. Operating surplus, it is given here as rent, interest and profit. So we'll take all these 1,000, 600 and 700. 1,000, 600 plus 700. Then mixed income. Mixed income of self-employed person, that is 8,000. This is 3, 4, 13,300. Now to calculate NNP MP out of NDP FC. Now to convert domestic into national plus NFIA, to convert factor cost into market price plus NIT. So NDPFC, that is 13,300 plus NFIE. Net factor income to abroad. Net factor income to abroad, that is 60. To abroad is 60. So from abroad it will be minus 60 plus NIT. Net indirect taxes, that is 500. Minus 60, 13,740. So this is NNP MP. We have solved 3 questions today, and now it is your turn. So please note, homework for all of you is to solve question number 30 on page number 123, then question number 34, 35 and 36, and 36 on page number 124. We'll start next time when we meet. We'll start with question number 37 on page number 125. Again I'll repeat, if you have any doubt or any problem, you can call us, and you can contact for your problems. That will be resolved in next video when we meet. Thank you.